Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare delicious homemade spicy mutton curry with simple ingredients and rich traditional flavor. This curry tastes amazing with hot rice, chapati, roti, even dosa. So let's start the cooking. Firstly, take around 300 grams of clean mutton and add it into the pressure cooker. Now add salt as needed, then half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Mix well everything nicely so that masalas coat the mutton evenly. Now pour enough water for cooking and close the cooking lid. Pressure cook the mutton for around 10 to 12 whistles until the meat becomes soft, juicy and tender. While the mutton is cooking, let's prepare the masala. Now place a pan on the stove and heat some oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add some mustard seeds and then let them splutter. Now add around 5 to 6 dried red chilies and a few fresh curry leaves. The aroma at this stage smells absolutely amazing and gives a traditional homemade flavor to the curry. Okay, so now add around 5 to 6 medium sized chopped onions into the pan. Mix it well and also add around 2 green chilies for extra spice as needed. Mix everything well and saute the onions slowly. Take your time while cooking the onions because this step gives a deep flavor and beautiful texture to the curry. After a few minutes, the onion starts becoming soft and slightly golden. Now add 2 medium-sized sliced tomatoes. Mix well again. Add little salt at this stage so the tomatoes cook faster and become soft easily. Now let the mixture cook slowly for around 15 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally to avoid burning. You can see the onions and tomatoes slowly turning soft, thick and golden brown. This is a perfect base for the tasty mutton curry. Now let's add some masala powders. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 1 teaspoon of garam masala, add little pepper powder, and add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder as well. Mix all the masalas. Add 2 spoons of chili powder. mix it well. Mix all the masalas nicely with the onion and tomato mixtures. Cook this for around 2 minutes and add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Now cook this for around 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears completely. At this stage, the kitchen smells rich, spicy and flavorful. Okay guys, so now let's open the pressure cooker carefully and check the cooked mutton. The mutton is now soft and perfectly cooked. Add the cooked mutton along with the stock into the masala gravy. Mix everything very well so that masala coats every piece of mutton evenly. Let the mutton absorb all the spicy flavor from the gravy. Now let's add coconut milk for a rich and creamy texture. Also add little water depending on how thick or thin you want the gravy. Mix everything well once again and allow the curry to cook for under 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now finally, let's add some fresh curry leaves on the top. Let the curry simmer nicely for a few more minutes until the oil starts separating slightly from the gravy. And now our delicious homemade spicy mutton curry is completely ready. Look at the thicky spicy gravy and tender mutton pieces. This curry tastes absolutely amazing with hot rice, chapati, roti or even Kerala parotta. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, please support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with your friends and families, subscribing for more homemade recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.